been working on this Christmas tree because I've been looking for Christmas prints to do, and this one had holes for LEDs, and I really liked that, so there I went to wire.
So is that was printed on the Monoprice, the Delta, yeah, 3D printer,
yeah.
okay.
Yeah. And did you create the model or did you download that one from,
I downloaded it.
did you make customization?
I think I might have given it a bigger hole.
Yeah, I think this
'Cause
looks
it
like,
had a really, really small one.
yeah, I think this is the there's a Norwegian guy who does a lot of OpenSCAD stuff. Looks like one of
This
his.
was through Thingiverse or Instructables?
Thingiverse.
Thingiverse, okay.
So basically I soldered the light bulbs to a red and black wire, and I just twisted them all together and then soldered them to this, and now it turns on and off. Only some of them though, because I broke
The
them.
coin battery, 2032.
So if you really wanted to, you could put the battery and the wires all up inside the tree.
Yeah,
I mean, you can try.
he's
But
got solid.
if you wanted to have a stand, you could make a little tree stand with a little.
There you go, a big tree stand.
It does have a tree stand,
That is very cool,
but
that
it
is
was
neat.
small,
How long did that take to print out, do you remember?
like 3 hours.
3 or 4 hours?
Yeah.
Yeah, that makes
sense.
Show them the piano.
Oh, a piano.
That's
Yeah,
light,
so,
this is sound.
Nice.
I made this. So basically, this is piano. No,
It doesn't look like a piano to me.
I gathered a long breadboard for it. It just has A, B, C, D, E, F, G. And I got this project online, and I've been doing everything it told me to. I've given it different wires, and I used I forgot what it was called. This is an Arduino Nano, and I use this small buzzer, but it doesn't work. We actually need another one. But
Are you hooking the buzzer directly to the Arduino?
yes,
Is there a transistor in between the two of them?
yes.
This is a work in progress.
Okay.
Okay.
So that's pretty much it.
So the idea is when you press the buttons, it's gonna have the buzzer buzz at different frequencies.
It's like the accordion.
The accordion doesn't buzz, it more
Oh,
groans.
the button accordion.
Yeah, the button accordion, that's true, that's true. Very good.
So that's
Beautifully
it.
done.
And that's